so St. Patrick's Day is coming around the corner, so I figured I'd do a quick design. I think I have like 2 recorded. I should have posted them a while ago and I haven't. But I've had this on for like a few days, so yeah. And I just got done cleaning the bathrooms. But anyways, so I have on Anna Maria Island. It's a white from Parrot Polish, and then I have 2 other ones that are green. I have Evergreen Kisses and Granny Apples. So I'm going to do those. And then I have Unforgettable Cuticle cover. It's from Ribbitsstickits, and this is Frog's Breath. So I'm just going to apply it around my nails for the design that I'm doing. I don't think I'm stamping in this one. This one's just going to be like a pretty design. Okay, so while the latex is drying, I'm going to get, you need a stamper. You don't have to, I might just do it, I think I'm going to do it on my mat. Okay, because I'm doing like a smooshy design, and then I'm going to use some, whatever the heck this is called. Striping tape? Striping tape. That sounds right. I was going to say foil, but I know that's not right. So, yeah. Depending what day it is, it's either a half day for my kids, because conferences, or I don't know. Anyways, conferences, we don't have conferences because it's only for the kids who need to have a conference, or if you're failing, or just want to talk to the teachers, but kids are all doing good, so awesome there. Okay, so it's dried. So I opened the polishes, and I'm just using my stamper, and I'm going in with the polish like this, and some of the green. If this isn't dark, I might add in a different green. I don't know yet. I will see. Okay, so just adding that, and then you could always smush it here or just do it to your nail. So I'm going to do it to my nail because usually I like that one more, just because you have more polish on the stamper, and you could just keep adding it on there, because when you do it down here, it does smush it nicely, but it leaves a lot down there. Okay, so there's the first one. Really pretty. I love how it came out. So I'm just going to repeat this process, I think, for all of my nails. I don't know. Oop, need white. I haven't decided yet. I have so many different ideas lately, and then I just keep getting busy with so much stuff, and the kids and cleaning, because I'm starting to move the rooms around again, and I don't know, what do they call it, like spring cleaning, but it's not even spring yet, but whatever. Okay, so let's see, doing this one and getting a little more, and if you get too much on there, just keep squishing and it will come off, because if you have it too thick, then it's going to take forever to dry, and you'll think it's dried, and then it's not. So out of that one, I just got 2 nails. So and then you can always go back and add more if you need. It just depends what kind of look you're going for. Okay, so I did my last 2 nails, and then I'm just putting the extra on my sticky pad, and then that's all dried. Well, these ones are wet. It's still wet. So I'm just going to remove the latex from all of them, and then clean up what I need to, and then I will be back for the rest of the design. Alright, so I cleaned up and I waited for them to dry. It's probably been like 20 minutes or so. But this is what they look like so far. I love them so much. And you know what I was thinking? I should have put some gold in there, but then I remembered I wanted to use some of the tape or I can't remember. I think it's called striping tape. So this is like a super thin one, really thin, and there's a whole bunch of different sizes you can get. This one's a brand new one, so you just peel it up. Let me get the latex and stuff off my nail real quick. Okay, so I'm just grabbing a nail polish bottle, and usually you just have to find the end. This one's super easy because, like I said, I haven't used it before. So I'm just peeling it up, and I just hold it to the top. And then, look at these scissors. Aren't they pretty? They were in one of the clear jelly stamper boxes. Okay, so, and then that's what it looks like when it's doesn't have the green tip. So you kind of just have to find it and then peel it. And I'm not quite sure how many I'm going to use, but I'm just going to do this a few times and be right back. Okay, so I just did some, and then you're going to want something to cut them close to, oops, something to cut them. So I'm using these. I think they're one of these cuticle cutters, I think, or something. I use them like if I get a hangnail or cutting things. So these are sticky, usually. So I'm just going, let's see, I think I'm going to go my middle, or no, this is my ring, and go across. So I'm going to do this a few times, like this. And I'm just going to push it down on the side, like this. And then maybe I'll do, I think I'll do one more. So pushing down, grab this one. And then one more. And you can always peel them off if you need to move them. That's a good thing about it. So I'm just pushing with my nail like this, and then that's where I use the cuticle cutters, and I just cut the end off like that. But be careful not to pinch your skin or your nail, because again, these are like super sharp, so I just want to be really careful. So I'm going to do this because I want to get really close. What is that? It looks like a polka dot. I think it was when my daughter was using little, whatchamacallit. What are those called? Like little, you dump it on your nail and they're kind of thick, so you have to put like a top coat. I keep wanting to say sprinkles. I don't think they're sprinkles. But, yeah, anyways, okay, so I'm just going to keep doing that. Oh, keep doing that and then be right back. Okay, so I cut the other side, just the same way. And then I have 3 left. So I think I'm just going to go like on the end of my nail, there and here. So there's that. You can even go vertically too. That would be really pretty. And then I do have one left. So let's see. I mean, vertically would be really pretty. That's what it looks like, that. And then you just cut the tip off. Oh, see, now I wish I would have gone vertically. But it's okay. And then I need to cut this one. So I'm just holding my skin and getting as close as I can, being safe, because I do not want to cut myself. Alright, so there's that. I'm just going to do the other side. So I'm just going to take some top coat. I'm using Parrot Polish feather dust. I always want to say duster. So there's, and then with the striping tape, you just go right over it. And then you can use acetone to get it off, and it comes right off. Alright, so here it is up close and finished. I absolutely love it. It looks like marble. It's really, really pretty. It kind of reminds me of one of my daughter's agates. I think it's like moss agate or something. It's so pretty. But if you added in some like gold little polish to make it look like marble, my gosh, that would be so pretty. But just a quick smooshy St. Patrick's Day nail design, or any time of the year, because I actually really, really like this. You can also do vertical as well. Just another idea. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and let me know what you're gonna do for St. Patrick's Day. Alright, see you on the next one. Bye.